If you're applying for a CDL permit in New York, here's how to get started. If you already have a CDL from another state, you'll need to go to a DMV office in New York, turn that in, and apply again from scratch. Before heading to the DMV, use the online permit document guide to figure out what ID and documents you'll need. This will save you time and prevent delays. Unlike regular permits, CDL written tests are only done at a DMV office. You'll need to take the written test for the class you're applying for, Class A, B, or C, depending on the type of vehicle you want to drive. There's a $10 fee that covers all the written tests you take during one visit. If you need to come back for more later, each extra test costs $5. You can also pay the $40 road test fee at the time of applying or pay it later online. But this fee has to be paid before you can book the road test. When applying, you'll need to confirm whether you've held a license in any other state in the past 10 years. You'll also need to meet federal medical requirements and show proof that you're legally in the US. You can schedule your road test using the DMV's online system, but keep in mind that your appointment must be at least 14 days after your permit was issued. Depending on the type of vehicle you use during your test, certain restrictions might be added to your license. After the road test, you'll get a card with a website where you can check your results. If you pass, you can go to a DMV office to update your license. They'll give you a temporary CDL valid for 60 days, and your photo license will arrive by mail in about 3 to 4 weeks.